Welcome everyone. I'm Lucy and today I'll be the commentator for this launch. Today, SASA is launching 8 Omega satellites from space flight exploration to orbit. This will be a short launch because we're targeting a 175 kilometers per 175 kilometers orbit. So, we hope you enjoy. OmegaLink is a series of low Earth orbit satellite constellation that will provide high-speed internet across the world. In a few seconds, we'll finish loading rocket-grade kerosene and liquid oxygen into the first stage.
First stage propellant loading complete.
Now, we finished loading propellant into the first stage. Later today, this booster called Red Moon Eclipse will try to land on the unstable connection drone ship. Now, you can see the 9 FTS LV2 engines that will power the first stage from the Flaming Tiger. Well, today we will launch the version from the OmegaSat. This version has a big solar array, engines and tanks. The first batch from this version is set to launch aboard various rockets, including Nova Block 3, from Daxt Space, Ceres, from Astron Space, Stella, from S-Flight X, and Flaming Tiger.
Second stage propellant loading complete.
Now, the Flaming Tiger is fully loaded with propellant. The next event will be the startup. This happens when the flight computer takes control over the countdown.
Startup. This is a pull, go or no-go for launch. Propulsion, go. Propellant, go. Range, go. This is the launch director. We are go for launch.
Now, we entered the terminal countdown. "30 seconds till liftoff of the Flaming Tiger with 8 Omega satellites."
"15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ignition. 2, 1. We have liftoff. Go Flaming Tiger. Go OmegaLink.
Beautiful views from the Launch Complex 39A as the Flaming Tiger ascends to orbit carrying 8 Omega satellites.
Flaming Tiger is pitching downrange.
Now, the rocket started its gravity turn and started to gain lateral velocity. Now, you can see the views from our tracking cam. All 9 FTS LV2 engines appears to be working nominally.
Max Q.
The craft is now throttling up as we pass from the maximum dynamic pressure area. Also, beautiful onboard views. On the right, you can see the Kennedy Space Center.
First stage chamber pressure is nominal.
This is a very good callout. It means that all engines are working nominally.
Vac engine chill.
Now, we started to cool down the second stage engine, so it can ignite as the first stage separates from the second stage.
MECO. Stage separation. Vac engine ignition.
Incredible views from the stage separation.
Fairing separation. First and second stage trajectories are nominal.
Great callout. It means that the first stage is in a good trajectory to land on the unstable connection drone ship.
Descent phase initiated. SECO.
So, we had the second engine cut off a bit earlier than normal because we're aiming a really low orbit.
Second engine restarts. Entry burn.
Now, the first stage is creating a protection against the hot plasma created by the atmosphere as we re-enter.
Entry burn shut down.
The grid fins and RCS are guiding the rocket to the unstable connection drone ship now.
SECO 2. The orbit is nominal.
We confirmed that the Flaming Tiger is in the desired orbit.
Landing burn.
This is the last burn from the reuse process. This will slow down the craft so it can touch down safely in the drone ship.
The red moon eclipse booster didn't land on the right spot, but still landed.
So, we didn't land in the right spot, but at least it landed and will be recovered by the drone ship. The next event is payload deployment.
Payload integrity is green. Go for payload deployment. OmegaSat's deployment confirmed.
Beautiful views from the OmegaSat stack being deployed. For confirmation of OmegaSat separation, follow SASA's and S-FlightX's Twitter. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next launch.